How to get discounts on Turo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you or give you different methods on how you can get discounts on Turo. And these are the various ways. The first step is for you to look out for promo codes. Okay, look out for promo codes on websites like Retail Me Not, Don't Pay For, Simply Code, etc. These sites have active promo codes that you can use for discounts on Turo rentals. So once you've gotten this code on this particular website, go to the top right corner of your Turo website page after you've logged in, okay? And then click on account. Once you click on account, you'll be taken to the accounts page where you'd see your account, you'd see details, your email, and the likes. So once you can see the scroll down until you can see the travel credit code page, and on this section just go ahead to enter in the code that you've gotten from any of those websites that I mentioned, such as Don't Pay Full and the likes. And so once you've enter it in, click on apply. All right, apply the code, and then the balance of the code will be saved to your account, such that when you want to book a ride or when you want to get a car on Turo, you can make payments for your travel credit balance. So another way you can get discounts is by signing up for notifications. Okay, enable email or push notifications for promotions on Turo. Turo occasionally sends discount offers to users who have enabled these notifications, and that way will be able to get a discount. Another thing is to make use of the referral program. Share your referral link with your friends and family, and when they sign up and make a booking, you can also earn credit. And once you earn credit, you can use this as a discount while getting a car on Turo. Then lastly, keep an eye out for seasonal offers and deals that Turo may offer during holidays or special events. And you can only get updates about this when you're subscribed to their newsletters. So ensure you enable email or push notifications for Turo, and that way you can easily know when such offers are being displayed. Thank you everyone, and have a sweet time on Turo.com.